So, at 21st.BIO we have specialized in helping people producing protein at low cost. We need a lot of proteins produced in a new way in order to get to a sustainable future.
We started here in Davis in 2021. We are helping our customers to produce the protein of interest, which will be proteins for food, proteins for agriculture, or for textile, for example. And usually our customer comes to us with interest in producing this amount of this protein.
We did choose Davis because the basic skill set here is outstanding. We can get people here with unique skills, and very, very few places we can get that set of skills. Today we have two teams, a small team in Denmark and a big team here, and they kind of master the same technologies, but of course in Davis we have way more people, so we can do a lot more.
We have been very lucky to have such a great team of partners to help us here. We have had the Fulcrum team who help us finding the building and setting up the visions.
Of course, a huge thank you to the development board of Sacramento and to the city of Davis for hosting us and helping us putting this wonderful site in place.